Today we'll be installing the new Torklift Apex Anchor part number F6001 in-bed camper tie-downs on a Ford F-150. These tie-downs bolt directly to your truck's frame and pop up out of its bed. Concealable when out of use, these provide the strongest mounting option possible for your sliding camper. If you enjoy this video, consider leaving it a like and subscribing for any future installs.
We're going to start with fishing 2 half-inch bolts through the frame. We want to add our internal tooth lock washers and 1x2 plate washers. We're going to feed our fish wire through the large hole here on the frame and out the small upper hole. Stabbing the eye there. Then we're going to attach our bolt to our fish wire. And out through the frame. We're going to do it again for the other frame mount bolt. Then we're going to take one more half-inch bolt with a lock washer, internal tooth lock washer, and a 1x2 spacer. And we're going to insert that through the inner end of the bed hat cross member and into the hole towards the side of the truck. Then we'll take our frame mount plate and we're going to mount it using the 2 bolts that we just used, the fish wires, and the one going up through the bottom of the bed hat cross member. Then we're going to finish with 1 half-inch flat washer, lock washer, and a nut on each of the 3 bolts. Now we're going to loosen the leaf spring hanger bolt, so that way there's about a 15/16 gap so that we can install the vertical support plate. You will need to hold the nut on the back side of the bolt when you loosen it. Now when mounting the vertical support plate, you want to make sure that it is behind the upper tie-down plate. And you want to push it up as far as it'll go on the bolt. Then you're going to use a half-inch bolt to support the plate while you tighten up all the hardware. We're going to start by tightening down all of the bolts for the main receiver, starting with the vertical bolt first. And then we're going to retighten the leaf spring hanger bolt while pushing up as far as you can to make sure that the bolt bottoms out. Then we can finish with tightening the last 2 half-inch bolts. Then we're going to use 2 of the 3/8 bolts to mount our drill template. And we're going to use our 9/16 socket to tighten up the drill template while pushing up so that it sits flush against the bottom of the bed. Then using the supplied 6-inch long, 1/4-inch drill bit, we're going to drill up through the drill template and through the bottom of the bed. Then using our 9/16 socket, we are now going to remove the drill template. Now using that 1/4-inch hole as a guide, we're going to drill up through the bottom of the bed using a 2-inch hole saw. Now from the top side of the bed, we're going to insert the skirt with the tabs facing front to back of the truck. Making sure that they lock into the bottom edge of the truck. Now using 4 3/8 bolt with flat washers and flange nuts, we are going to install the receiver to the frame mount. Now when installing the receiver, make sure not to push the bed skirt up through the bottom of the bed. Now using a 9/16 socket, we're going to tighten up the receiver, pushing up all the way.
Once installed, simply pull up on the insert and twist to lock into position. Your Apex anchors are now ready for your next adventure.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.